Now we've got our primer on. Now I've got my primer on and I'm gonna go with the foundation. It's okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup Simplified. For those of you who are new here, thanks for watching my channel and joining me for exploring this magical world of makeup. Talking about magical time, this is the most magical time of the year because it's the New Year's Eve and we're going to create an ultra glamorous look today. I have 3 special tips and tricks that I'm going to tell you during the video to make this look perfect. Just keep watching. Now, one eyeshadow trick that I'm going to recommend for you guys today is to put a tape on the outer edges of your eyes. This will give you those beautiful butterfly eyelids and it's going to look really symmetrical and sharp. But make sure you soften the edges. You don't want it to look too sharp. For the eyeshadows, I'm using the MAC Holiday Collection eyeshadow in Starsight in Compact. So I'm going to start off with the transition color. So going with the soft fluffy brush, I'm going to define my crease. Make sure you blend it right above the crease line. Now I'm going to deepen the crease with this shade. And not just in the crease, I'm also going in the outer corner. And then pulling it in. Using a soft clean brush, I'm going to blend the outer edges. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the same eyeshadow base on top over here to create a little bit of a fresh canvas. Now using a flat brush, I'm going to be using this shade. So I'm going to finish the eyeliner. Also in the upper waterline. I'm going to go in with the liquid eyeliner now. We're going to be doing a cat eye because we are not going subtle here. Even if the eyeliner is a little bit uneven, it's okay because we're going to use the darker eyeshadow on top of it to kind of just smoke it out. I'm going to go with this shade on the lower lash line and then I'm going to put it on the inner 1/3 here. For the inner corner, I'm actually going to be using a highlighter from another palette by MAC, which I'm going to talk about more later. But I'm going to go with the lighter shade on it. I'm going to apply it right under my brow bone. Now it's time to take this tape off. Look at that sharp edge. I'm going to first go in with the color corrector from Bobbi Brown in shade Peach. I'm going to use my fingertips to kind of just lay it under my eyes. I'm going to follow this with a concealer. I'm using the shade Medium from Bare Minerals. Even though it's a full coverage concealer, it's very lightweight and that's what I like. Same thing around the mouth. Now I'm going to be using a full coverage foundation by MAC Studio Sculpt in the shade NC37. Go with a really thin layer and you can always build it up. Make sure your face is well moisturized before you apply any foundation, otherwise it's going to be very blotchy and it's also going to cake. Now using loose powder, I'm going to set it all up. I'm going to use the same wet sponge so that makes sure that the concealer stays put and your concealer won't crease at all. Now we're going to begin with contouring the face. One contour trick that I'm going to tell you today is that to blend the bronzer upwards, never do it downwards because it kind of pulls your face down if you do it downwards and then it makes you look really tired. But if you do it upwards, your face gets an instant lift. For my blush and highlighter today, I'm going to be using the MAC Holiday Collection. It's a Star Dipped Compact in Light. So it's got 2 blushes. It's also got a little bit of shimmer to it, so you can skip the highlighter if you want, but you skipped highlighter. Now, the highlighter. I'm excited about this highlighter. It's got a duochrome in it and really it looks stunning. Highlighter trick. Apply the highlighter on the high points of your cheek, under the brow. You can apply a little on the nose, but don't bring the highlighter too much here because it looks like you have oily skin. So when the light hits it, your cheeks are gonna glow. Now it's time for the lipstick. I'm gonna be using the liquid lipstick by Sephora Collection, the Cream Lip Shine in shade 7 Carmine Elixir. shiny and creamy. It stays hydrated all the time. I'm gonna top it up with a little bit of Ulta Collection liquid lipstick in Willpower. It's a little bit more burgundy. And now I'm going to be setting up my makeup with the makeup setting spray. The Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray is my absolute favorite. So this is my final look for New Year's Eve. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing for New Year's Eve. Everyone have a happy new year and stay safe.